Hey everyone, this is Drew Thoughts, and today this is part 6 to the Lego Batmobile. Now check, if you see right there, here is that I have built the Lego, this bit, whatnot. If you've seen the last video, I was up to this bit just right here and whatnot. There. This is just an update to it and whatnot. Sorry about the noise. This is just part 6 of this. One, maybe 2 more for today. Of these today because of it. Make sure you like and subscribe because this it's really good and you guys are liking these videos, so the noise I like that, but it's fine. Make sure you like and subscribe for part 7 or part 8 and part 8 because this is going to take me some time to build. So yeah, also I want to reach 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you get me to 1,000. So like and subscribe.